Which tools do we use, how, when, and why? Well, first, let me introduce the JAWLINER 3.0. This is the most basic and efficient tool for training your jawline. It's effective and reusable. It comes in 3 different difficulty levels: beginner, expert, and the one I'm using, advanced. This one generates the most resistance, giving you the hardest workout on your masseter muscle. You simply take it and hold it horizontally with a flat embedded portion pointing up and down, and you place it in the back of your teeth in between your molars. Make sure they don't slide forward into your incisors, because this could damage your front teeth and also damage that jaw joint. So you take it, place it right there in the back, like so, and then you simply start chewing. We recommend just using it 10 to 15 minutes every other day to give yourself time to rest and recover. Do not overdo it. I cannot emphasize that enough. I recommend starting with the beginner level and using that at first, and then once you're totally used to that resistance level, or you've chewed completely through the jawliner, then move up to the next difficulty level, which would be expert and then advanced, respectively. What happens if your jawliner breaks down? Extremely unlikely, I might add, but every jawliner customer will receive 1 year warranty. Simply write to our support at service@jawliner.de and we will send you a free replacement product.